Ooh, this is Monday morning. You know, I love Monday morning fabrics, so here we are. This first one, so these are all stretch silks, and they're all for today and tomorrow, $24.99. They're not all. I take that back. There's one exception down here. So this is a stretch silk, but it's a tube knit. So it's 22 inches wide, which means it's 44 inches wide. And it's a beautiful royal blue. It has stretch in one direction. Isn't that gorgeous? So you don't have to use the folds, but if you're doing something on the fold, it gives you an opportunity to have two folds in that 45 width. So it's tubular. There are only 2 yards of this. And so this will just be one quantity. You have to buy the 2 yards. Keep in mind that these particular silks they're all designer ends, and I just bought what they had. So I was thrilled to get them, and I just bought what they had. So this, I'm gonna put them horizontal because they're narrow. They're 46 wide. This is a stretch silk, beautiful print. Isn't that gorgeous? Stretch in one direction. These are silk knits, 100% silk. Just beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? Just the drape is so pretty. I can just see skirts, blouses, pants. I mean, all kinds of things would just be beautiful with that. This next one is a border print. It also is a stretch silk, 100% silk. It's got a border to where it is, you know, black and white there at the bottom. I did a pattern, one of our pattern covers. We've got a photo shoot this week, and I used this pattern fabric. It's just so beautiful. Again, stretch in one direction. This is a very typical, classic black cream. It's not a white, it's a black beige kind of. Isn't that beautiful? Kind of an Asian print. Again, stretch silk, great drape, so soft. Stretch in one direction. Then we have another little border print. I love this. This is like a little bamboo. So you see solid black, and then you see all the vibrant colors. And this solid royal blue goes with a lot of these. I mean, I know there's only one, but anyway. All right, this last one is an exception. It feels very similar to these others, but it is a viscose. And the only reason you could tell it is by burning. You certainly couldn't tell it by feeling. It is a little border that runs all the way along the side. The colors are lavender and grape. Well, no deeper than lavender, more of a fuchsia and a grape and a cream. Not beautiful, but it is a viscose. It has stretch in one direction. It's the same width and everything, but it is a viscose. And again, I only knew that because I burned them all. I trust what they tell me, but then I still burn them all. So anyway, these are all silks. $24.99 today and tomorrow. The viscose is at $19.99. The goal, you know it. Happy, beautiful sewing from Silhouette Patterns.